So the next step in automating the fish tank is to make this Arduino an IoT device, Internet of Things. And so I did is I bought this esp8266 Wi-Fi module. There's a pull-up resistor on two of the pins, transmit receive. I have two male headers here, and then because this module consumes a tremendous amount of power, I can't power it from the Arduino, so I had to create a power supply for it. So it's a 12 volt, 1 amp going in. There's a buck converter bringing it down to 3.3 volts, and then there's a supercapacitor, 1 farad. That way, whenever this guy needs to draw, 500 milliamps, the supercapacitor can serve that. And then we have our normal flow meter, which is in line, and then Ethernet to connect it to the screen up there. So we're monitoring the flow rate, and then you can see there's the current flow. So since the last video, I haven't reset the total gallons per hour. It's saving it to the EEPROM. So since the last video, we've pumped 21,000 gallons, and then you can see there's the current rate, and that indicates it's low, right? In the last video, we brought it back up to like 86, 90, but now we're back down to 59, so I got to clean the pump. But so what we're doing now is we're that data every 16 seconds we're sending it to thingspeak, which is a website for collecting data for IoT devices. So let's go look at that. So this is thingspeak, and I'll post a link below, but you can see in real time the current flow on the fish tank. So there it is, and then over here the total flow, and you can see that's gradually increasing. And since it's running every 16 seconds, you'll see there's areas here where it kind of plateaus out and then makes a significant jump. That's because it's not pumping a full gallon. I'm converting a float to an integer, and so it's not pumping a full gallon in that 16 seconds, and so you're going to see the same, but then you see a sharp jump, plateau, sharp jump, plateau, sharp jump, plateau. And so you're going to see that behavior just because it can't pump a full gallon in less than 16 seconds. And then here is the real time, so you see it just updated. And so here's the real time, so we're kind of hovering just below 60 gallons an hour, and then there was a little peak there, and then a drop, and then it kind of plateaus out again. And so if you were to like check tomorrow, we'll feed our fish tonight, and you'll notice that this will decrease by 10 gallons an hour, and this will not have such rapid growth. Cool stuff.